Hello, and welcome to May's edition of Nails Truly News. Let's take a look around the website and see what we have. First, let's talk about May's exclusive collection, the Secretly Charmed collection. In May's exclusive collection, Secretly Charmed, you'll receive 2 dip samples, including Your Glowing Smoke, a black that glows, and Look Into My Crystal Ball, a lavender with holographic and reflective glitters. You'll also receive 8 unique sheets for this exclusive collection and this month's cuticle oil. This is also the first time I'm offering sized options for this. This month, we also are having the Witchy Ways collection. This collection bag features all of the sheets and the dips, plus the Nelfie sleeve, 2 rings, and a Witchy Nelfie prop. Now let's look at these stunning dips. Hoggle, What Have You Done? A stunning shimmering peach, just like from the movie Labyrinth. RSPCC, inspired from the movie The Witches. This deep, dark purple has loads of glitter and shimmer and reminds me of a secret potion. Blix, inspired from the movie The Legend. This is a crimson wine red with loads of shimmer. As You Wish, this whimsical blue with silver shimmer was inspired by the movie The Princess Bride. Gelflings, inspired by the movie The Dark Crystal. This chrome style purple is magical in every way. There are 4 full pages of witchy inspired nail accessories, dips, decals, and more on nailstrulyco.com. Also coming this month, on May 14th, Nails Truly Co. will release their 4th of July collection and their Juneteenth collection. That's it for May. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow. Thank you.